Hello guys and welcome to Think So. So let's say it's Saturday night, you meet with your friends in your favorite pub arguing about something, when suddenly you have the feeling that you've already experienced this very moment. The same pub, the same friends, the same exact topic. Well, don't worry, you're not going crazy. The phenomenon you're experiencing is called Deja-Vu. This is a French word. It translates literally as already seen and indicates the feeling that one has lived through the present situation before. Many interpret déjà vu in a paranormal context, since science hasn't yet decided what the true cause is. But let's examine the 4 mainstream science déjà vu theories. By the way guys, in this channel we upload new videos every week, so click the subscribe button if you like our content. And now let's move into science's explanation. First, there is the split perception theory. According to this theory, déjà vu happens when you see something 2 different times. The first time you see it, but only with the corner of your eye, or while distracted, or without your complete attention. Your brain begins forming a memory, even with the limited amount of information you get from this brief glance. So when you look at the same thing again, your brain recalls the previous perception, even if you didn't have total awareness of what you were observing. And that's why it feels like 2 different events. Theory number 2 is the memory-based explanation. This theory suggests that déjà vu has to do with how you process and recall memories. According to research conducted by Anne Clary from Colorado State University, déjà vu can happen in response to an event that resembles something you've already experienced but don't remember. Maybe it happened when you were a child or you don't recall it for some other reason. But even though you can't access that memory, your brain still knows you've been in a similar situation. This happens, for example, when you see a beautiful landscape or a particular scene that is very similar to the one you don't remember. Next, there is the dual neurological processing theory. In 1964, Robert Efron of Boston's Veterans Hospital proposed that déjà vu is caused by dual neurological processing caused by delayed signals. Efron found that the brain sorting of incoming signals is done in the temporal lobe of the brain's left hemisphere. However, signals enter the temporal lobe twice before processing, once from each hemisphere, with a slight delay of milliseconds between them. This basically means that if the 2 signals were not synchronized properly, then they would be processed as 2 separate experiences, with the second being a reliving of the first. And the last theory, which is the DreamBased Theory. Studies suggest that dreams can also be used to explain the experience of déjà vu. According to a study done by Dr. Brown in 2004, 20% of the respondents reported their déjà vu experiences were from dreams, and 40% reported from both reality and dreams. The idea here is that people may remember some distorted parts of their dreams, and then they confuse these dreams with the real-life situation they are experiencing that exact moment. So these are the most widely accepted theories about déjà vu. All in all, experiencing this phenomenon is natural and healthy. However, if you find yourself experiencing déjà vu far more often, you should seek professional help. So that's it for today guys. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a comment below and subscribe to our channel. Until next time...